She loves you. So much. She's not she's in pain. So
It's going away. What do you feel?
it's so strong. Okay.
What do you feel in this time?
It was so strong. It was this way.
When I saw the movie The Exorcist, when I was a kid, maybe not even 12 years old, that scared the hell out of me. I wasn't supposed to watch that movie, but I sneaked into this theater. And all the things that were in that movie, they were blown out of proportion. Entities do exist, and entities are intelligent forms of energy that usually are attached to our hara, which is right below the navel, which is a powerful center of energy. Since I practice Reiki, we have an exercise and meditation that is focused on bringing energy to the hara. And these entities that are intelligent forms, like they get energy from us and from that center. The movie The Exorcist was done just to scare the hell out of people. That's the truth. About 4 months ago, I went to a conference and somebody told me that the Jesuits sponsored that movie to scare people and make people believe that they were the only ones who were able to liberate people from those toxic energies. An entity is an energy blockage. And the work that I do is to remove them.
It's going away. What do you feel?
It's so strong.
Yesterday, I did an exorcism, which is a very rough way to remove an entity from a human person. Drunvalo Melchizedek, in his book, The Ancient Secrets of the Flower of Life, has a chapter on healing that specifically addresses entities and how they have to be removed with love. And he says specifically that the exorcism that the churches were doing is very violent and doesn't work. Because he goes away, he goes further saying that they remove the entity and the entity is lingering in the same area and get attached to another person. What Drunvalo Melchizedek elaborates in that chapter is true. Because by reading that, I was able to remove entities in the way that he shows, and I used 2 other ways, specifically Reiki, and other ways that I learned from another great healer. I'm going to show you a video that is very involved, very strong, where you will see how the entity is removed. This woman came to me because for a few months, and especially the last 4 weeks, she has been having this reaction that started in her stomach and taking over her, and the heart's moving and causing her pain, and she wanted to end up that. We have a very involved session. It was 1 hour 20 minutes instead of the 60 minutes that I usually do a healing session, because it took a long time, and you will see over 10 minutes or more, maybe half an hour involved in that convulsions of the person. And at the end she told me, I feel light. And she told me during the process that she felt that that energy was coming out from her mouth. Just take it as it is, and there is no reason to be afraid. Yesterday, while I was doing the exorcism, that just means to remove this entity or intelligent energy blockage, or what I call dynamic energy blockage, I didn't feel anything other than I was protected by an immense, beautiful, loving energy from the very beginning. I knew I was up to something different because I felt all that energy that I needed to put around that entity, for that entity to be removed and come back to where it belongs, and actually to come back where they came from. I was just repeating the Beatles song that you go back, Joe, go back to where you once belonged. It's something like that, but the reality is they come from another dimension and they have to go back there because they don't belong here. They are not happy here, even though it's cozy. They need to go where in the dimension where they feel comfortable, and they have to evolve from there. If you have any questions, write them down here. I will answer, or send me an email. And please subscribe to my channels because I will have a lot of interesting videos for you to see. If you are an energy healer, I would love to teach you everything that I know. I see you soon.